Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today we are going to be learning about how to repair your sneakers. So if you have a crack, just wipe off the dust, making sure that it's clean and dry. Apply some super glue. Then you're going to press the sole against the crack part so that it sticks. Cut a small bit of styrofoam, place it on the place that you had a crack, then start applying super glue. Apply drops as you see it melt into the cracks. Also add more styrofoam pieces and keep applying glue until you have enough layer to cover that cracked area. And once you've done that, now you're going to test it for strength. Take a piece of metal or a piece of wood and hit it to feel whether it's strong enough. And surely it's very hard. It's even harder than the sole itself. And the final step is now to sand it down so that you achieve a smooth surface that is level with your sole. And guys, that's how you fix the sole of your sneaker shoes. My hope is that you learned something new today. Keep subscribing, keep sharing, and thanks for your support. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye.